Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take advantage of this dark night to test some improvements I made to my scooter. I have added some extra lights to have greater visibility at night, and I want to test them and show you the result. Let's start. Well guys, as I was telling you, I have added extra lights to my Gspace GTR to improve my visibility at night. I have attached lights on the front and back. For me, it is very important because I work at night and I need to see and be seen on the road when I am shooting at night. All these lights, I put them myself, and the truth is that it is very simple to make. So I'm going down the darkest road I know to see if these extra lights really work. Okay, I'm gonna put some speed on my wheels. "40 miles is enough for me for now. There is a lot of headwind, you can probably hear it. "44 right now, and I don't want to go faster. There are a lot of cameras in this area, and I don't want to get into trouble. This scooter has a lot of stability. I like that a lot. I can go at high speeds without fear of wobbles. The truth is that this road is not the best for high speeds. Although it cannot be seen in the video, it has several dumbs and potholes. I couldn't brake before the line. I have to back up a bit. Those were 3 hard shots. To be honest, the GTR suspension is not the softest on the market. It is very stable, but not very smooth. As you can see, guys, this is the reason why I had to improve the lighting of my scooter. Every day I ride dark roads, and I need to see well what is in front of me. Deer often cross this road, and you must have the right lighting if you do not want to have an accident. You can only see his eyes shining in the dark. I mistook those poles for deer. I am quite happy with the result. These lights greatly improve my visibility at night, especially when I am riding on very dark roads. I'm going out on a more illuminated road. I think the whole road I've already been on is the darkest of my daily routine. I want to show you a comparison between the lighting I have now and the lighting I had. This is the lighting that comes from the factory. And this is the improved lighting. As you can see, I have several headlights, including strobe lights. I think it looks much better, has a higher visibility range, and really guys, I recommend you to improve your lights, especially if you're going to ride at night. I'll let that car pass me by. I don't feel like racing today. It will be at another time. I feel good with these lights. If you can see when I move the scooter handlebar, you can see how far the lights go. And all my external lights are connected to an external battery that I have inside this bag. I don't need to use my scooter's battery to make them work. Another accessory that I think is very important to improve on our scooters is the horn. The factory horn is not enough, especially when you are on the road. I have attached a motorcycle horn to my scooter because when I ride on the road and with all the noise during the day, I think it is necessary for other drivers to be able to listen to you. I use the factory horn for pedestrians, and I use the motorcycle horn for other drivers. I also improved the rear lighting of my scooter, and I will show them to you. This is the factory rear lighting. The truth is that it seems to me that it is very low light, especially considering that the lights are too low for other drivers to see. And this is my improved lighting, I think. With these extra lights, the light spectrum is more visible to other drivers, and I also added a tail light to my helmet. Well guys, in conclusion, I am quite happy with the result of having improved the lights on my scooter. Honestly, I think it is something that all of us who ride scooters should do. In my channel, I have a video of all the accessories I have, including the lights and horn I use. I will be leaving you the link to the video so you can go watch it. I'm going to overtake this car. Easy. Well guys, this video is coming to an end. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for joining me. You can leave me your comments, tips, or suggestions for me to continue improving. This was your friend Road Dog. See you next time.